In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see layers in Canva, a handy tool that can significantly enhance your design experience by giving you better control over various elements in your project. Understanding how layers work can make a big difference, especially if you're dealing with complex graphics. So, let's dive right into the step-by-step process and explore how you can efficiently manage layers in Canva. To begin, you need to start by selecting the element you want to work with in your Canva design. This can be any object you have placed on your canvas, whether it be a text box, an image, or a shape. Once you've identified the element you wish to focus on, the next step involves a simple right-click on it. This action opens up a special context menu filled with various options for editing your design. Right-clicking is crucial as it sets the stage for you to access Canva's layers functionality. Once you've right-clicked on your chosen element, the next move is to hover your cursor over the layer option within this context menu. This is where things start to get intriguing. By hovering over this option, you're essentially communicating to Canva that you want to manage the layering of your elements. Now, it's important to understand that layers in design software like Canva help you stack elements on top of one another. It's a bit like arranging sheets of paper on a desk. This method gives you greater control over what appears at the forefront and what stays in the background, thus making your entire design workflow far more organized. Now, as you hover over the layer option, you'll notice another menu popping up. From this menu, you'll want to look for a feature labeled as Show Layers and give it a click. By doing this, you're activating Canva's layer management tool. What it does is allow you to see all the different elements in your current design laid out in an orderly stack. It's like pulling back the curtain to reveal the behind-the-scenes workings of your design. This feature is particularly beneficial when you're in the process of working on multifaceted projects with several overlapping elements. Understanding how to manage layers effectively gives you greater creative freedom. You'll find yourself able to select, drag, and rearrange these layers with ease, making it possible to bring forward elements that need emphasis or push back those that should remain in the background. The added visibility and control this provides can make fine-tuning your designs much simpler and more intuitive, truly enhancing your creative output. And there you have it, a quick and easy method to manage layer visibility in Canva. Mastering this feature will undoubtedly help streamline your workflow and add a professional touch to your designs. Thanks for joining me today. Feel free to explore this feature further in your next Canva project. Happy designing!